So this week we've been looking for a wireless headset to do communications with and to do voice recordings with. We thought we would take a gamble and we randomly selected this Kanambo K18 Bluetooth single ear headset from a selection of 4-star rated wireless earphones on Amazon. It is fairly cheap, retailing at £30, that's around 38 in US dollars. But because there is a wide range of cheap earpieces you can choose from, will this K18 be a good choice for FaceTime, Zoom meetings, and taking them simple calls? Well, let's see. So, for 30 of your hard-earned pounds, here's what you get. Sat within the protective package, here as you can see we've got the Kanambo hardshell travel case. It's not bad, it's quite compact, and it does sit relatively flat when it's in your pocket. As you can see, the K18 earpieces, they are secure when they're in that embedded moulded socket, and to the right, we have 2 spare silicone ear tips. Accessory wise though, we do also have more ear tips that are supplied in various different sizes, with a Type-C charge cable for charging, and a simple user manual. Now the first thing we've already noticed with this case is it's not a charge case, so it's not like those wireless earphones. The other thing is because it is meant to be a case to simply grab and take with you while you're on the go, there isn't however no room for that supplied charge cable. The earpiece design, it's not bad looking, it has a semi-neutral look. It does have a 110 mAh internal battery, hence that's why the rear looks kind of bulky. It's got a big booty on it. The ear fitment up on the headset, it will rotate. The mic can swivel up or down, so you can place it in your desired position, and it has that shiny mesh grille covering those dual CVC 8.0 microphones. Now to the rear we do have some functions, like the on-off auto pairing switch. When the K18 earpiece is connected to your device using that Bluetooth 5.1 technology, after syncing, when you switch the earpiece off and then on again, they will auto connect within a few seconds. We have tried the connection with a few mobile phones. There initially doesn't seem to be any type of connection issues just yet, but I will note that while connecting to a laptop, it did take a while to try and connect. From my understanding though, the Kanambo brand are working to rectify this issue. In addition, we do have volume up and down buttons, which also act as the previous and next track selections. That is in case you want to play music files, audio files, or even watch YouTube videos. There's a mute button too. This will also act as the voice assist option. Tell me a fact of the day.
Did you know? The most expensive map ever was a 1507 map entitled Universalis Cosmographia, made by a German cartographer. The US Library of Congress paid $10 million for it, because it is the first ever map to use the word America.
Oh, America. Obviously there is an LED indication light. Underneath it there is a silicone seal. Yes, the whole headset is IPX4 waterproof, so it should be good to use in light showers. And underneath that seal, we have that Type-C charge port for charging. So right now, we have indeed had the opportunity of using this Kanambo K18 out for quite a lengthy time. I'm gonna break it before we even try it out. Is this a Crits and Factor puzzle or something like that? Jesus. Comfort-wise, in truth, it does take some adjustment to properly fit the earpiece within your ear when it is indeed hooked over your ear.
Bond. James Bond. License to thrill.
Yes, the earphone segment does swivel. Like I said, it does have some adjustment, but after swapping out all of the silicone ear tips, they still didn't fit within our ears snugly. So when you're active, or in fact, even if you simply do a yawn, the earpiece will pop right out. Trust me guys, we did test this earpiece for a lengthy amount of time, taking calls while on the road and at work, and it did result in our ear hurting within just 1 hour. In fact, we had to switch the earpiece to the left ear just in order for us to take a little break.
Welcome to the insurance hotline. How can I help you today? What, your name's Betty? Oh, Betty.
The microphone is not too bad. Obviously in regards to the length of the stem, it doesn't sit right in front of your mouth, but in regards to the voice pickup using those dual microphones, well, here is an example. So we've woke up nice, bright and early this morning, and we've actually been using this headset to make a few calls. Not only that, we've been on the Amazon website and we've actually looked at a few reviews. Now, some of them are a bit skeptical. To be honest, the microphone pickup, after watching a few video playbacks, it's not too bad. Only thing I would say is that the pickup volume is a slight bit low, so you do have to speak quite loud. And in regards to that voice pickup, well, our voice is nice, crisp and clear, no muffling whatsoever. As you can tell, my lips are indeed in sync with this video recording that I'm recording just now. And one thing we forgot to mention is that we do get a mute button to the side. But I will note that when you're recording a video like we're doing just now, if you do press that button, it is most likely to either pause or stop the video, or if you press the button twice, it will simply call the last person you called via your mobile device. If you do hold that button for like 2 seconds, it will fully disconnect from the handset. But let's say you're doing some type of voice recording like we're doing just here, and you want to simply go and grab a drink of water. Well, you can press the mute button. The voice recording will pause, and when you press it once again, it will deactivate, and it will take around about 1 full second for it to be initiated, so you may want to hold off from speaking just for that 1 second. The connection, well, it wasn't too bad. I did only experience a few random disconnections while being actually in close proximity to our mobile device. Functionality though? I mean, the buttons are not too bad. They are somewhat okay to blindly master. And you can swiftly activate that voice assist option should you wish. Tell me a joke.
How do you make a handkerchief dance? You put a little boogie in it.
Ew, nasty. There's something else that's nasty. Actually, usage time. Realistically, if you turn the headset up to its max volume level, you will get more like 5 hours 40 minutes use, with a full recharge time of just 1 hour 46 minutes. Overall, if I'm being 100% truly honest, the Kanambo K18 is a mixed bag. I'm sorry, I don't mean to be blunt. I am afraid the negatives do outweigh the positives. But one thing I will say is initially, I did think that I was onto something quite good, judging by the box presentation, how the earpiece looked online, and actually how the earpiece looked right out of the case. I mean, if they just sorted out better fitments by adding, I don't know, some silicone inner ear hooks, which I've basically seen on other earpieces, then it might help the fitment and might help it stay in your ear. Because after all, these are not ergonomically shaped, no. Yes, hard truths, but it's got to be said. What do you guys think? Have you actually got one of these headsets? Comment down below if you've had any type of disruptions, disconnections, or any type of voice distortion. Today, I will be giving it a 5 out of 10. That is based upon the price. Yes, I know £30 isn't cheap, but looking back to some terrible communication devices that I've personally owned, I have actually been really ripped off in the past by paying twice as much as this one. Either way, if you want to check this out for yourself, I have left a link in the video description down below, and if you have liked what you've seen within this video, I don't know, well, you can go get yours, I guess. While you're in that video description, hopefully you manage to smash a like and share this video. Hey, please subscribe just now though, bearing in mind to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our very next uploads. Now, it's been interesting testing out this headset this week, and we hope to be back actually with some more communication devices within the next few days, so stay tuned for those little wanderers.
Sell our voice and produce a louder voice pickup for the microphone to pick up.
Here, and you want to say go and get a drink of water? Well, let's say you're doing some type of voice recording like you're doing. I'm doing it. Microphone doesn't pick anything up. Some type of voice recording like we're doing just here, and you want to. You can't just do it. Is it on? Sake. One of those days, ripple effect day, one thing after another. If I drop a penny, I'll split my pants picking a penny up. Is it going to go over the here or what? So we've got the headset
Is it even on? Oh, by the way, your mother's a bastard too. Yeah, do that thing where you showcase it and you're going, hee, look at that. Oh, did you hear about Beth and checkouts? It's going out with Martha.